Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any update from Mani Talwar Makeovers. Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are gonna talking about my makeup brushes. So मैं आपको इस वीडियो में बताऊंगी कि मैं अपने कौन से मेकअप ब्रशेस यूज़ करती हूँ and I had handpicked some of the makeup brushes which I found very necessary for me and which I take it along wherever I go. So I'm going to show you the makeup brushes and their use, and also I had added a demo so that you can guys get to know about what the brushes are meant for. As a makeup artist हम सबको makeup brushes की बहुत ज़्यादा नीड पड़ती है. बिना brushes के तो हम कहीं भी नहीं जा सकते. So I'm going to show you the basic and the most important brushes. So don't wasting much time, let's jump into the video because there are so many brushes. So guys, I'm in love with the Pro Art brushes because I found these brushes so handy, and I love doing makeup with these brushes and I'm using them since too long, and I'm in love with the makeup which they provide. So the very first brush which I'm going to talk about is this Base Blender. I'm in love with this brush because you can see it has a very good density and the bristles are really nice, and this brush is so soft and it's really easy to blend, so you can find the makeup to be blending easily on your face. You can see it is not much fluffier, so the brushes which has a good quantity of their density are best to blend the foundation, as the fluffier brush can't blend your foundation. So next, coming towards this base applicator brush PF02, which is used to apply the foundation or to highlight this area, and you can see it has a very precise shape. So जो base brushes होते हैं उनको inner corner तक यहाँ तक blend करना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है. So these brushes are meant for that purpose only कि आप इनको easily यहाँ तक अच्छे से blend कर सकते हो. And also the brushes are very soft and it gives a very beautiful and defined finish to your makeup. And the next brush is this PF14, which is a contour brush. तो जो brushes की ऐसी shape होती है are best to do the contours, and also कुछ brushes होते हैं जिनको हम nose contour के लिए use नहीं कर सकते. So this brush I found is best to do the nose contour because इस brush से हम यहाँ से यहाँ तक बिल्कुल अच्छे से कर पाते हैं. कुछ brushes होते हैं जिनको हम सिर्फ यहीं पे कर पाते हैं, but this brush gives a very defined finish to your contour. So I use this brush only for to do the powder contours, or when I'm doing the cream contours or some liquid contours, I found this brush which is Pro Art PF01. I found this brush to be the best at that time because क्रीम कंटोर्स और लिक्विड कंटोर्स में हमें बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट लाइंस चाहिए होती हैं, which is little bit difficult from this. So I use this brush like going straight line, and after that I blend this contour from this brush. But yes, this brush is really very useful. Next is Pro Art PF06. This brush is used for powder locking. ये ब्रश ज़्यादा डेंस्ड नहीं है कि आपको पाउडर कंटोर करने में कोई प्रॉब्लम होगी. इट इज़ वेरी मच फ्लफियर टू स्प्रेड ऑल ओवर द फेस, and also you can see it has a bend here and it is not that much fluffier. So this brush can even be used to lock your under eye, as it completely goes into the under eye and lock your under eye completely, and it is very much soft and I love this brush. Next up is Pro Art PF07. So this is the blusher brush. This has a very good density and its shape is perfect to do the blush, as it blends the blusher only on the cheeks, and where you want to spread it really doesn't flows out. And also the bristles are very nice, and the density of this brush is really very nice. Moving forward, the next brush is PF12. This brush is used for highlighting my cheekbones, but I had seen so much people using this brush as their base blender, just because this brush is very dense, like base blender only. So you can see there is difference in both the brushes, but yes, this brush can also be used as the base blender, but I use this brush to highlight my cheeks. But yes, this brush is very good in both the terms, whether you use it as a base blender or you use as a highlighter brush. You can see the density of this brush is really nice and is not much fluffier. So जब भी हम हाइलाइटर लगाते हैं, कुछ लोगों को प्रॉब्लम होती है कि उनका हाइलाइटर एक जगह पर पैच बन के बैठ गया, वो अच्छे से ब्लेंड हुआ ही नहीं, just because you guys don't have the perfect brush for blending your highlighter. You need to check whether your brush is fluffier or dense. You need your brush to be half dense, not much fluffier, like this much, so that your highlighter can be blended completely. The last but not the least for face brushes, the next is PP17. It is basically a stripling brush, which some people call as polishing brush. So this is the must-have brush in every kit, because this brush is used basically to remove the harsh lines of contour. Like some people loves to create the straight lines of contouring, and some likes to just shadow all over their part. So when you have to create the shadow of contouring, you need this stripling brush, so that you can blend the harsh lines and you can create a perfect shadow. So the stripling brush is not much dense like this. It is very much fluffier. With dense, what I mean is, I can show you a difference. Like these are three brushes. Okay, this is the base blender, this is the powder locking, and this is the stripling brush. You can see this brush can't be bent. So this is known as very much dense, because it has a very good quantity of bristles and is not much longer. So the brushes which are a little bit longer fall into category of fluffy brush. Next up we have is this powder locking brush. You can see you can blend it in any direction. So this is the fluffier brush, and this is the stripling brush. It is also long, it is a fluffier brush, but it is not as much fluffier like the powder brush. So it is not much that dense as the base brush, so it falls into the half dense category. Next I am coming towards the eye brushes. So these are my eye brushes. These are my hand-picked brushes for eye. I saw many brush kits like which don't have blending brush. Guys, जो भी brush kits बनाते हो, please उसमें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा blending brush रखा करो, eye blending brush, because that are the most essential brushes for any makeup. Like आप base अपना ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर से भी ब्लेंड कर सकते हो, बट आई शेडो यू नीड ब्लेंडिंग आई ब्रशेस. सो आप जब भी कोई ब्रश किट परचेज करते हो, प्लीज़ मेक श्योर उसमें 2 से 3 या 3 से ज़्यादा भी ब्लेंडिंग ब्रश हो, एंड ऑफ डिफरेंट साइजेस एंड फॉर डिफरेंट वेरिएंट्स. So the very first is PE23. I love this brush as मेरे पास 3-4 ब्लेंडिंग ब्रश हैं, बट आई यूज ओनली दिस वन because this brush has a very good density and the bristles are so soft. This brush is basically used to blend your crease line. As you have to blend the crease line perfectly, which the perfection comes only from this brush, which I think. But yes, it depends on you whether to use which brush, but use the blending brush only to blend your crease line. Next up I have is this PF08. This brush I used to pack the eyeshadow. This is to blend one and this is to pack the eyeshadow, ताकि आपकी eyeshadow बिल्कुल अच्छे से पॉप आउट हो एंड बिल्कुल अच्छे से ब्लेंड आउट दिखे. Okay, so the next one is PE22, which is the fluffier blending brush. I use this brush to blend the harsh line of crease. This brush is very helpful so that the perfect shadow can be created. Next I have is ProArt PE19. You can see the shape of this brush. Best brush to be used in the inner corner side, because when you have to create this line, the precise line of eyes by eyeshadow, you need this brush only because it gives the perfect line to the eyeshadow. Next up I have is ProArt PE28 and ProArt PE33. Like you can see, it is an angular brush which I use to create my eyebrow. When I am doing eyebrow with eyeshadow, I use these two brushes only. This is to fill up my brows and this one is spoolie to brush it out. But if you have an eyebrow pencil, like one side spoolie and the other side have the eyebrow pencil, then you don't need these two brushes. These brushes are only used when you are doing the eyebrows with your eyeshadow or if you are using a gel pot liner. Next brush is ProArt PE29. This is an under eye blending brush. This is also a blending brush, but only for under eye. This brush I use for my inner corner highlighting, for my nose, for my forehead, upper lip and also chin. But yes, I use this brush also to blend my under eye. Like you can see, it is very tiny, the bristles are very soft, so this brush is used for under eye smudging. So guys, I think you love this video and you get to know about the uses of makeup brushes and also for what they are meant for. So guys, if you like this video, hit the like button, give a big thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And guys, I'll be back with my another video very soon. So till then, take care and bye bye.